Thank you for having faith in me. Recorder, I remember you. I see you started. I started having faith in me. I'm going to wrap this up and I'll be right with you, please. Having faith in me. Like you do. I have faith in you. This is a client, don't worry. Faith in you and a friend. Friend and a client. I need to close. I need to close your chat window now. Chat window now. Because I need to record my screen. I need to video record my screen for some work I am doing now. We will be back in touch very soon. Anyway, so I'm closing the screen there, sir. This is a friend and a client and a friend. Don't worry about it. Right now, why are we recording? Well, we're recording because we started some investigations. We started some investigations here earlier this year. New investigations, per se. Ongoing investigations. One of the investigations is right here. This one. We're investigating this person right here. We're going to get to the bottom of this person, if we can. We're going to get to this person a little bit better. I'm not being facetious when I say that, either. But honestly, my priority is to get my mom and my grandpa and you very happy and comfortable. You put a smile on my face. This is helping each other and helping each other out. Thank you, son. Thank you, son. Sorry, you're going to have to track along. The people are more important than prophets and more important than my investigations, too. Right? So we're just going to have to get used to it. Thank you for saying so. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see. You literally made me smile when reading that. Thank you for being my family. And another smile. Okay, I have to go now, though. I have to go now, young man. I have to go now, young man. Okay. We will chat soon. We will chat again soon. Again soon. And I can't type. Yes, I can. Please tell your mum and grandpa. I said hello. I said hello. Hello to them from here in Kansas, America. Here in Kansas, America. USA. Boom. Alright, sorry I have to smoke. I'm not sorry I have to smoke. I'm smoking, and it's unfortunate if that offends any sensibilities, but our investigations must continue. Our investigations must continue because they're entirely too important to delay. Fair enough, fair enough. I need some lotion too. Oh, I've got to get a hold of her. Where is she? I've been very worried. I've been very concerned about my friend, my girlfriend. Her health is precarious, and I haven't heard from her now in 2 days, 3 days. Too long. And I'm sure she's fine. However, you know how we are. Friends, they got concerned about each other. Oh, this lotion smells good. And I'm sure I have clients that are, they're concerned about me too. You like to hear from the people. You gotta touch base, and I'm a bad one about touching base sometimes. Yeah, I'm bad about it. I sit there on Facebook and press like all day. So our investigations continue about ourselves, but now we're gearing into a new part of. We're gearing into a new We're gearing into a new investigation. We're gearing into an investigation about a person who has been out and about here in town for some time. I mean, since as long as we've been here. We've been here since, October 3rd, 2016. We returned to Manhattan, Kansas, USA, the little apple, where legally we're disabled, and we've been conducting our own investigations, and we fill our hours with whatever we can fill our hours with to maintain some type of life, some sort of semblance of purpose, and try to be a benefit to our fellow men and womankind, and not hurt anybody along the way. Sometimes we're not always successful, especially about the not hurting people along the way, even ourselves, not hurt ourselves. Now the person of our investigation now, person who has warranted investigation only because she seems to be begging for my attention. Ever since I've gotten here, ever since I arrived here, she's just screamed for my attention. She does so by like following behind me around town and yelling at me and telling me what to do, how to do it, by spreading lies and rumors and disparaging infactual false statements about the person in this career. The most recent false statements that this person makes regarding this person here involves. Who knows what it involves? The story I have it coming back at me. People, my real friends in town, people that know me or think they know me anyway, but know enough about me to know that I'm a personable person, I'm an honest person, that I'm a well-intended person. I might be misdirected, I may be misinformed, I may be uninformed. However, that they have enough faith in my well-intention and my honesty and my value system to warrant themselves calling me a friend. I'm calling themselves my friend. And some of these persons who have been in such a position to warrant some sort of semblance of friendship between this person and themselves have recently, and I say recently, like the past month, even longer than the past month, have people have been approaching me. Actually, probably since March, at least since March. And now, by the way, for the record, the date is May 8th, 2018. I don't feel very well. Physically, I'm not feeling so well. That's okay. Take a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Please don't look at my private screen. But if you have, very much, I promise you, this man calls me Dad because I'm older, obviously. And we have a professional relationship, personal Facebook. It's none of your business, really, but because I have had to defend against myself, I've had to defend my legal person against allegations of all kinds of shit, untrue shit this year, including pedophilia. I think that's more representative of the people making the allegations against me. I know it isn't rubbish. If they had any idea who I was and how I feel about pedophiles and what I've done in my professional career is to take a stand against pedophiles and help people that have been victims of pedophiles, and be disgusted. Here we go. Run for the hills, kids. Run for the hills. You little apple rotten apples. Little Uncle Toms and dirty holes in the ground. And disparaging. That's who you are. That's your legacy. Not mine. Sorry for your bad luck. Now let's go look at the legacy of the other hater that we got in here. And again, before we begin too far, ethics and values and ethics. I don't wish anybody harm. I don't intend anybody harm. However, I see that sometimes it's been pretty easy to harm people. Not that I'm harming anybody. The facts that we find out about these people, that they have, this is their own legacy. All we're doing as researchers and citizens and law-abiding citizens at that, well-intended law-abiding citizens and researchers that, is uncover facts to learn exactly who are our neighbors, who are these people who are throwing stones. We have to figure out who these people are. I would not care. I would live and let live. I would never. That these people have been determined that you're going to know their name, because they're determined that you know their name. All right, now I know your name. This person, actually, I don't even know her name. It's been October 3rd, 2016 to May 8th, 2018. I have no idea what this person's last name is. I've had no occasion to ask, no occasion to care. None. Don't care. Doesn't affect me, except when she affects me. She's been affecting me ever since I landed here. Some days worse than others. However, after so long now, we can say, well, it's been a year. We've had enough time that we should know this one's last name. We see this one all around the community. We see her, well, we no longer see her at the Quick Shop Corporation at 14th and Bluemont, because we are legally banned. We don't go there anymore. However, when we used to be able to go there, we used to be friends with everybody there at the Quick Shop. They used to, well, not everybody, but yeah, we were generally more so friends than not friends. It used to be this one's favorite place to go in town. Quick Shop, 14th and Bluemont. Right across the street from the Beach Museum. Right across the street from the Manhattan Christian College. Right there by FedEx. Those people have been there for me. The employees, the management, even the regional management. Hi. If you ever see this, hi. And I hold no ill will towards those people at all. And I pray they hold no ill will towards me. I did some experiments there, some social science kind of things that have been misunderstood and that have probably gotten some people in trouble. Definitely got this one in trouble, at least with the law, legally. I'm confident in the purpose. I know what this one did, and so I have I'm not in any way, shape, or form embarrassed. Well, it's a little embarrassing, yeah. My concern is actually for the people that have real jobs there, and real careers there, and real lives there, who spend their time and their money, and well, not their money necessarily. That's the whole point. Who spend who have a real investment in this place, emotional investment, time investment. But that does not include this other customer. She's still a customer, by the way. You can see her car there, usually between around 5 in the morning. I believe it's a white sedan. I don't know. That's enough. Usually it's full of trash. You can see the trash piled up in that person's car. Now, I'm not disparaging. I'm just making observations. Okay. Usually, I've been told. I haven't witnessed it yet, but I've been told by other persons there's rats in that car that, whatever, when she gets out or go, I don't know. I didn't see it. I don't know. But she's quite a character here. In fact, she has her very own parking spot at the Quick Shop there on 14th and Anderson. If you're not familiar with that, I didn't know you could have your own. I didn't know any. I don't have a car. I don't have a vehicle. I guess maybe if I had a vehicle, I would know that a regular consumer, nobody. I'm pointing to myself. Not that she's not a nobody. No, I'm sure she's somebody. I don't know who she is, but we're gonna find out. She's important enough to have her own parking space in a public parking lot of a private corporation which recently merged and from Kroger. Kroger sold it. I'm not sure who they sold it to. Actually, we're going to learn all that too because it's become imperative that we know all these things.